Kiss, 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 la 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 la. Kiss, kiss, hurts, kiss, la 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 la. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent, back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing the song Kiss Kiss by Machine Gun Kelly. Okay, it's from his last album, and we're gonna play that with our capo on fret number 1. Okay, so the chords are pretty simple. We have C to G, E minor, and then D, and obviously there's like a lead going. But that's the lead guitar. I'm gonna show you the chords instead, which are so this is basically C to G and then E minor to D. Okay, C, G, E minor, and then D. Okay, so if you're not familiar with how to hold the chords, you can check out my chord video. I will put it in the description. For those of you that don't know how to hold the chords, you can learn how to hold them and then come back here for your progressions. But for those of you that know how to hold them, I'm strumming down, 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 no, 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 down, 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 down. That's pretty much it. And then when I'm plucking for C it's 5 4 3 2, for G it's 6 5 4 3, for E minor it's the same, and then for D it's 4 3 2 1. Okay, yeah, that's been it. If there's any other new songs from this album that you need me to check out, let me know in the comment section below. If you want me to do an interpretation of the whole album with just these basic chords, let me know. I will do a video on that also. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.